Hey everyone, welcome to Deepika Makeup. Hope you're all doing super awesome. So in today's video, let's see how to create this beautiful summer look. So first, to make my skin smooth and to make my makeup stay on longer, I'm applying primer. I really like this Makeup Forever Step 1 primer as it almost feels like moisturizer. And then I tried with Art Deco concealer first, but it didn't work, so I went back to my favorite X1 Cosmetics Delete concealer. And as I'm applying this, I'm also blending with my finger. I'm applying this on my problem areas, around my mouth and nose where I have hyperpigmentation. And then I am moving on to foundation with my all-time favorite foundation. This is Estee Lauder Double Wear. I'm the shade Cashew. This is my very trusted foundation for summer and just about any season. I love it. It has the perfect coverage and it's very long wearing. And I'm spreading it all over my face with a brush. To cover my under eye dark circles, again I tried the Art Deco concealer. It still didn't work for me for my under eyes. So I went back with e.l.f. concealer and I'm applying that on top of the Art Deco concealer. And the Art Deco concealer kind of worked. I mean, it kind of corrected under my eyes. And then I also applied Maybelline Fit Me concealer on the areas where I want to highlight, that is on the high points of my face. And I am blending it all with a brush. And then I'm applying loads of banana powder under my eyes and I'm going to let it bake. Then I'm going to apply powder on my face and I'm using the foundation brush to get maximum coverage and I'm dabbing the powder. And then with a fluffy brush, I'm going to knock off any excess powder all over my face and also under my eyes. Moving on to contouring, blush and highlighter, I'm using this Art Deco palette and this actually surprised me a lot. I really love the bronzer and also the blush in this palette. The highlighter in this palette is kind of subtle and it's not just enough for me, so I'm actually topping it off with my favorite Essence Pure Nude highlighter. And this also has natural glow, but it highlights my face. Moving on to eyes, I'm first gonna do my eyebrows with my very trusted It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. And this is a very quick eyebrow product for me. Okay, moving on to working with a tough product here. I'm first going to take this shade called Blush, and which is a matte blush color. I'm going to apply this in the crease and then I'm going to take this matte skin tone color and apply this under my brow bone. And then I'm going to take the shade Bark and I'm going to apply this at the outer corner and also in the crease. To clean out the lid space, I'm applying this e.l.f. cream eyeshadow all over my eyelid. And then I'm going to take a shimmery light pink shade called Paradise. I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. And it wasn't enough pop for me. The shadow was flying off. I mean, every single shade in this palette needs a lot of work. I mean, it keeps vanishing all the time and I'm reapplying over and over again. I'm also smudging the dark color all along my lower lash line, applying the shimmery shades again with a wet brush, and then at the center of my eyelid I'm applying this shimmery white shade called Chic. Moving on to eyeliner, I'm applying my favorite black eyeliner from Essence and I'm aligning my upper waterline and lower waterline. And then I'm going to line my upper lash line with Physicians Formula Eye Booster liquid liner, and I really hate this. I mean, it bleeds a lot. It's not the blackest black, and I somehow didn't like this at all. And you can see it bleeds in the inner corner of my eye. So I'm actually going back with that shimmery white shade called Chic and applying that in the inner corner to clean up. And finally, I'm coating my upper and lower lashes with CoverGirl Plumpify Blast Pro Mascara. And finally, I'm going to apply this beautiful orangish red color from Julep, and the formula of these is just amazing. And I'm going to apply some Scandinavia makeup setting spray to lock in all the makeup, and that finishes this makeup look. If you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button and also hit on the bell icon right beside it so you don't miss on my future uploads. And also follow me on my social media. I'm Deepika Makeup everywhere. Stay tuned for more videos. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Goodbye.